Welcome to How to Live in Japan channel. In today's video, I will talk about the Go to Travel campaign by the Japanese government. The campaign consists of 4 smaller projects: Go to Travel, Go to Eat, Go to Event, and Go to Shotengai. This campaign is conducted by the Japanese government. You can avail of coupons and discount for your trip. This campaign is only limited to domestic travel and cannot be used internationally. Due to the large number of corona cases in Tokyo, the residents of Tokyo are prohibited to avail of this campaign. Also, it doesn't cover travel costs to and from Tokyo. The campaign started on July 22nd and is still running. There are 2 types of travel eligible for this campaign. First one is direct reservation or booking websites of your hotel or accommodation of choice. Second is booking of travel plan through a travel agency. You can get a total discount of 50%, discount of 35%, and coupon ticket worth 15%. In total, 50%. The subsidy limit for overnight stay is 20,000 yen, and in case of day trip, a subsidy of 10,000 yen. That's for 1 person per night. I will explain how the discount system affects your travel fee. There is a 35% discount. The remaining 65% is the amount you will pay. There is a 15% coupon. This coupon cannot be minus from the actual price. Instead, this coupon ticket can be used at your travel destination. The coupon can be used in the prefecture to where you are traveling or to the prefecture next to it. For example, if your travel destination is Gifu, then you can use the coupon ticket to these places as well. The coupon you will get will be worth 1,000 yen each. In case of 2,000, you will get 2 pieces of coupon ticket, 3 pieces of tickets for 3,000 yen, but there is no coupon ticket less than 499 yen. For discount coupon from 500 to 999, you can get 1 piece of coupon ticket worth 1,000 yen. But for the information of everybody, coupon is still not available. It will be available from September. So you can only avail of the 35% discount for your August travel. This is a translation from the official website of the Japanese government. Please feel free to pause and read. Remember that not all travels are subsidized. You have to book set plans to avail of the discounts. In case of overnight stay, if you booked an only accommodation plan, then you cannot avail discounts for transportation fee. So you have to book an accommodation and transportation set plan with your travel agency. In case of day trip, you can get discount if you booked transportation with any of the following set plans: meals, attractions, or sightseeing experience. As everybody knows, we are in the midst of a pandemic. Let's enjoy our travels, but don't forget to be mindful and to take extra care. Thank you for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for future Japan-related videos. If you have any questions, please feel free to write in the comment section below. Have fun and stay safe.